Hello everyone, this is Quick Tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use screwmat. As the name suggests, screwmat function for simulation a thread mechanism like bolt or screw, and we will use screwmat like this. In this case, I have bolt M10 with length 30 mm, and I have a nut too. First, click this face and this face, make concentric. See, now I have thread mechanism. Now go to mat, go to mechanical mat, click screw mat. Now you have a parameter. You can choose revolution and distance parameter. Whatever you need, just choose one. The parameter value insert pitch bolt. Pitch is the distance between one thread valley to the next thread valley. That is pitch. Pitch value of M10 is 1.5. So insert the screw mat parameter is 1.5. 1.5. And you can choose before that, click this face and this face and make the parameter 1.5, and you can choose the direction of bolt, clockwise or counterclockwise. I choose clockwise. Click OK. See, now I have a thread mechanism, counterclockwise and clockwise, counterclockwise direction and clockwise direction. See, the nut move like a real bolt. Now you know how to use screw mat. That is Quick Tips. See ya.